Welcome to 2304 Pelican Drive. This cute 3-bedroom, 2-bath home with a carport, fenced backyard, and 2 full baths is located in the Crane Forest neighborhood in North Columbia, convenient to I-20, I-26, which is a quick commute to downtown Columbia. So out in the front yard, you can see here, large tree in the front yard, nice sized yard, and you have a driveway here on the right side leading up to a carport, a 1-car carport, which also has a laundry room, a laundry and utility room with full-size washer and dryer connections off of it as well. Then your walkway here leads around to the front. You have a small covered front porch. And then you enter the home right into the living room. So you can see you have vinyl flooring here right in the entry, sort of in a square in the living room here, and most of the rest of the home is carpeted. So nice sized living room. You have a window looking out over the front porch and yard. The hall is there to the other bedrooms, but here you have the kitchen. So you have nice sized eat-in kitchen here. You can see stainless steel appliances. There's a refrigerator as well as a electric stove, and then you also have tile countertop here as well. Window looking out over the backyard, and you also have an eat-in dining area here, as you can see, kind of where that light fixture is. And your side door here lets you out to your carport, and also you can access quickly the laundry and storage here as well. So you can see washer connections there, dryer vent, and good space for some extra storage in there. And that does lock as well. Just use the light there. And then you also have your backyard. You have this small gate here to close that off, but the backyard itself is fully fenced, chain link. Pretty nice size. You have some mature trees back here as well. And then back inside, on down the hall, you have all your bedrooms and baths. First door on your left here, I believe, is a closet. Coat closet. You have your attic pull down access there. This is a master bedroom off to the right. It has a ceiling fan and looks out towards the backyard. You have 2 closets in the master. There's one here, and then the second one roughly the same size on this side. Then you also do have an attached full bathroom as well. So you have a single vanity in here, commode, and a shower and tub. And 2 additional bedrooms. So one here on the left. And both the other bedrooms face the front of the home. See the closet there, on the opposite side of the window. You have your second full bathroom here as well. Single vanity, mirror, window there, and also, again here, a shower and tub. Pretty much the same as in the master. Linen closet here at the end of the hall. Some shelving there. And then last but not least, your third and final bedroom. Again, front facing with the closet on the opposite side. So that completes our tour of this home. The address here is 2304 Pelican Drive in North Columbia, in the Crane Forest neighborhood. You can find out more information about this home by visiting our website at turnerproperties.com or by giving us a phone call at 803-407-8522.